My father always had a passion for customers, had a passion for doing something new and different. That entrepreneurial spirit just drove him to create the company that we have, and it was all because of him. We've always really focused on trying to solve those problems that are difficult to solve. We've never been intimidated by competing with a large organization because we know we can do things better than they can. Being able to work in a small business, a family-owned business, we're very much focused on the customer. We can really make decisions much more quickly than our larger competitors, and we're able to serve the wants and needs of our customers a lot more effectively because of that. We put a heavy emphasis on making sure we do what we say what we do. Once we get a customer, we don't lose them. So these are our burn-off ovens. These are meant for burning off paint on things like production aids, grates, jigs, paint hooks, things like that are used in painting operations. We have the ability to do lots of different part sizes, lots of different part type. We have different size paint stripping tanks, some very large tanks. We can use large parts. We have smaller tanks where we can do very small parts. What we do is really messy work, and there's a lot involved with removing this paint and trying to get a good clean part back to the customer. We have a chemical operation making paint strippers, rust removers, industrial cleaners, drawing compounds, stamping lubricants, a product that we might have to specifically formulate for a key customer requirement. Our people here take great pride in everything that they do. We run 2 shifts a day, every day. Everybody pitches in. It is truly a team atmosphere that we have. We want to treat people with respect, with kindness, with understanding, and that really becomes ingrained in who we are as a company and drives our relationships with each other in the company as well as our customers. We want to grow, we want to continue to grow. We have plans to open other operations around the country, but we still want the family values to drive who we are.